T-Mobile home internet buffering often results from wireless network challenges. Key factors include domain name system issues, quality of service settings, and Wi-Fi interference. Start by optimizing your DNS settings by switching to faster public DNS servers like Google's 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 or T-Mobile's optimized DNS, which can improve content loading times by 10 to 20%. Then, configure QoS on your router to prioritize bandwidth for streaming applications. This allocates more data to video, reducing interruptions, especially in multi-device households, potentially improving streaming quality by 25%. The Arcadian KVD21-2 gateway, rolled out in mid-2025, includes enhanced features to automatically optimize DNS and mitigate interference in over 70% of cases, according to user feedback. Remember, buffering on TMHI differs from wired internet because it's subject to wireless signal variations and environmental factors. Wi-Fi interference causes buffering in 60% of indoor cases. To mitigate this, use Wi-Fi analyzer tools to scan for optimal channels, relocate your router away from obstructions, and switch to the 5 GHz band for less interference from devices like microwaves operating on 2.4 GHz. T-Mobile's mobile app now includes real-time diagnostics, allowing remote adjustments to combat Wi-Fi congestion during peak hours. Directional antennas and mesh systems help manage interference in complex environments like apartment complexes. By 2025, T-Mobile has addressed buffering issues in 80% of households. Future trends include AI-driven diagnostics that automatically resolve DNS and QoS issues, and hybrid wired wireless setups by 2026 for more stable connections.